Take a moment to check out the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Take a closer look at this comfortable, spacious Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that delivers sedan luxury and SUV versatility. With the latest tech to keep you safe and entertained, a wealth of creature comforts, and ample cargo capacity, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Feel relaxed and restored on every journey in this smooth, quiet Nautilus. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.